Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to learn how to create Python virtual environments on Ubuntu 22.04? Python Virtual Environment is a self-contained directory tree that includes a Python installation and number of additional packages. The main purpose of Python virtual environments is to create an isolated environment for different Python projects. This way you can install a specific version of a module on a per-project basis without worrying that it will affect your other Python projects. In this tutorial, we'll provide a step-by-step instructions about how to create Python virtual environments on Ubuntu 22.04. So let's begin. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu. It is advised to update your Ubuntu package index. We are on an upgraded Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish, as you can see on your screens. You must be seeing our Python version. It's the most recent build of Python as of now. Let's start by installing the Python3-Virtualenv package that provides the virtual environment module. This can be installed with simple apt install command. Once this module is installed, we are ready to create virtual environments for Python 3. Let's create one. Create your project directory first. Get into this directory. Let's create our first virtual environment. You can do this with this command. YouTube is the name of this virtual environment. You can name it as per your own choice. You must be seeing the created directories in the designated location, which contains a copy of the Python binary, the pip package manager, the standard Python library, and other supporting files. To start using this virtual environment, you need to activate it using this command. Once activated, the virtual environment's bin directory will be added at the beginning of the path variable. Also, your shell's prompt will change and it will show the name of the virtual environment you're currently using. Now that the virtual environment is activated, we can start installing, upgrading, and removing packages using pip. Let's create a simple Python script utilizing the requests module. The first step is to install the module, using the Python package manager, pip. To verify the installation, you can try to import the module. If there are no errors importing the module, then the installation was successful. In this example, we are going to use the http://bin.org site that provides a simple HTTP request and response service to print all the header entries. Open your text editor and create a new file with the shown lines. Save it. We can now run the script by typing the name of the file. The script will print a dictionary of all the header entries as shown below. Once you are done with your work to deactivate the environment, simply type deactivate and you will return to your normal shell. You have learned how to create and use Python virtual environments. You can repeat the steps we outlined above and create additional virtual environments for your Python projects.